When every second counts, search and rescue teams operate under extreme pressure. Harsh weather, dangerous terrain, limited visibility, conditions that make life-saving missions incredibly difficult. Modern search and rescue drones are more than just cameras in the sky. They are powerful tools designed to respond quickly, operate safely, and deliver real-time intelligence when it matters the most. Let's take a look at the drone features that are essential for search and rescue operations. Quick deployment and battery swapping. In emergency situation, time is everything. Drones that are designed for rapid deployment can be launched within seconds, allowing teams to begin searching almost immediately. Hot battery swapping takes this even further. By changing batteries without powering down the drone, teams can stay airborne longer with minimal downtime, ensuring continuous coverage during critical moments. Thermal imaging advanced visual sensors. Thermal cameras are essential for detecting heat signatures, making it possible to locate missing persons in low light conditions, dense vegetation, smoke, or even at fog. Combined with high-resolution visual cameras and optical zoom, search teams can quickly confirm targets from a safe distance without putting responders at risk. Payload capacity. Speakers and spotlights, payload capabilities adds a whole new level of functionality. Drones equipped with speakers can communicate directly with the missing or injured individuals, providing instructions, reassurance, or guidance until help arrives. High-powered spotlights allow teams to illuminate large areas at night, mark locations and ground cross, and improve visibility at night or hazardous environment. Obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight system. Search environments are unpredictable. Advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes help drones navigate safely through forests, collapsed structures, and complex terrain, reducing the risk of crashes and allowing pilots to focus on mission. Real-time mapping, GPS, and data sharing. Live GPS mapping and real-time data transmission allows search and rescue teams to pinpoint exact locations, coordinate assets, and make faster decisions. This shared situational awareness ensures everyone, from drone operators to ground teams, is working with accurate, up-to-date information. Search and rescue operations demand speed, precision, and reliability. With features like quick deployment, thermal imaging, intelligent navigation, and mission-ready payloads, drones have become indispensable tools in emergency response. When lives are on the line, the right drone technology doesn't just support the mission, it helps save lives. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about search and rescue drone solutions or have sales inquiry, feel free to contact us at sales@aerosmart.ae. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button for more insights for drone technology, safety, and mission-ready solutions. We'll see you on the next video.